Hi, this is Simone from K-Devices, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TED to your modular system. To do this, you need a DC-coupled DA converter or maybe an audio interface with DC-coupled outlets. In my case, I'm going to pass the audio digitally through the Ext Out of my audio interface, and will apply the DA conversion via this module from Expert Sleepers. Before to turn on the CV gate output on TED, I have to set up the track output to external out and then set the right channel. So now I can activate the CV gate function. In this case, I will get the CV signal on the first channel and the gate signal on the second one. And in this way, I can use TED to synchronize my modular system to live, or I can write down anything in live and pass it to my modular. The simplest thing I can show you is a basic sample and hold function to control the frequency of my oscillator, and then I can use the gate signal to create an attack release control signal for my low-pass gate. To get a random sample and hold signal, I can set the shape of the main function to random. In this way, let's adjust a little bit its frequency, and then I can apply the sample and hold function, increasing its amount. Now I just need to connect this signal to the oscillator's frequency, and then connect the oscillator output to the speakers. Okay, now let's talk about the gate. I can get a gate signal from both the main or the sample and hold function. In my case, I prefer the sample and hold one. Then I can even offset its phase, adjust its amplitude, but at the moment, let's just change a little bit its width. So now I can pass this gate signal to this match input, then patch its output to control the low-pass gate frequency. And I also have to include the low-pass gate in the signal flow. Last, if you want to sync this signal to live transport, just hit play and the sync button on the sample and hold function. The last thing I have to say is to pay attention to the buffer size that you are using, because because with higher values you can get more latency, and with lower values you can get less latency. So I think that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.